This building changed what humans thought was possible. Rising from the desert of Dubai, Burj Khalifa is the tallest building ever built. But building something this tall was never meant to be easy. Strong winds, extreme heat, and thousands of workers working day and night. So how was Burj Khalifa actually built? And why did Dubai take such a huge risk? To understand that, we need to go back in time. In the early 2000s, Dubai wanted global attention. Oil alone wasn't enough for the future. Dubai needed tourism, business, and prestige. So the idea was simple: build something the world would never forget. The design was inspired by a desert flower. This led to the famous Y-shaped structure. The shape helps reduce wind pressure. Without this design, the building could not stand. But height wasn't the biggest challenge. The real challenge was underground. Burj Khalifa stands on deep concrete piles. More than 190 piles were drilled deep into the earth. Each pile was over 50 meters deep. This foundation alone took over a year to complete. Only after this could the tower rise safely. Now came the most dangerous phase: building upward into the sky. This tower was not designed just to look beautiful. Every part of it was engineered to survive extreme forces. That's why engineers chose a Y-shaped design. This shape helps spread pressure evenly. At extreme heights, wind becomes the biggest enemy. Strong winds can make buildings sway dangerously. So each floor was designed slightly differently. This breaks the wind's rhythm and reduces force. But height created problems no one expected. Dubai's heat even affects steel and concrete. Steel expands when temperatures rise. Engineers had to calculate movement down to millimeters. Even a small error could be catastrophic. Elevators became another major challenge. Normal elevators simply couldn't reach this height. So the world's fastest elevators were created. They travel over 10 meters per second. Workers also faced extreme conditions every day. At such heights, oxygen levels drop. Every task required strict safety planning. Yet construction never stopped. Day and night, the tower kept rising. Every level pushed engineering to its limits. The higher it went, the harder it became. But the biggest challenge was still coming. The final height would test everything. One mistake could change history. Engineers prepared for the most dangerous phase. The final piece would decide everything. And that moment was unlike anything before. After years of construction, everything came down to one final and extremely dangerous moment. Installing the spire was the most risky operation ever attempted on a skyscraper. A single mistake at this height could have caused irreversible damage. Strong winds, thin air, and gravity made this operation terrifyingly complex. Engineers waited for perfect weather conditions before making the final move. Slowly and carefully, the final spire was lifted into the sky. With that final piece, the tower crossed every known architectural limit. The final height reached an unbelievable 828 meters. It officially became the tallest structure ever built by human hands. Building this megastructure required enormous time, money, and human effort. Construction took more than 6 years, from start to completion. The total cost exceeded $1.5 billion. Thousands of workers sacrificed their time and safety to make history. In January 2010, the world finally witnessed its unveiling. Millions watched. As Dubai revealed its new global symbol, this tower instantly transformed Dubai's image on the world stage. It proved that vision combined with engineering can redefine what is possible. Burj Khalifa is not just a building, it is a statement of human ambition. It represents how far humans can go when limits are challenged. And this tower will continue to inspire the future of architecture for generations.